Here's everything you need to know about Soft99's Raindrop Tornado Vortex. Raindrop has just gotten even better. Say hello to Raindrop Tornado Vortex, an even more powerful spray coating that stuns with its long-lasting protection and unique application process. First and foremost, it's a tremendous upgrade over the previous iteration of the product, offering 5 months of durability on paintwork and 3 months on glass. What's also new is a heavily stylized applicator head, which also comes with the new application method. Unlock the safety, pull the trigger, and the nozzle will start spinning, releasing the product in a unique circular formation. The new method helps optimize the application process and use less product, making the Tornado Vortex an even more cost-effective solution. As with the original Raindrop, apply Tornado Vortex on a wet car. Prepare a microfiber towel or cloth and work panel by panel. You can spray the product on paintwork, glass, plastics, or chrome parts. For rims, spray on the cloth first and then wipe the rims with the cloth. The results will make you fall in love with Raindrop Tornado Vortex instantly. Enjoy the brilliant glassy shine, top hydrophobicity, and great dirt repelling properties. We hope you liked our How to Apply video. For more, check out our social media channels.